Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a sales letter. What is a sales letter? A sales letter is a written or electronic marketing communication designed to promote a product, service, or offer to potential customers. It aims to captivate the audience's attention, highlight the value and benefits of what's being offered, and encourage recipients to take a specific action, such as making a purchase or requesting more information. Sales letters are a fundamental tool in marketing campaigns, leveraging persuasive techniques to engage readers and drive conversions. These letters are versatile and can be delivered through various channels, including direct mail, email, websites, and social media. Their effectiveness lies in their ability to tell a compelling story, address customer needs, and provide a clear and compelling call to action, making them a vital component of sales and marketing strategies. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a sales letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, you need to write the letterhead. Usually, most companies write their organization name. Under it, write the address of the company. And then, write the contact information where the recipient can reach you to get the promoted products or services. You can give phone number or email address. After that, write the date of the letter. And then, write the information about the recipient. You need to write the full name. Under it, write the home address of the recipient. You need to include the home number, street name, city, state, and zip code. After that, you need to write a salutation. Simply, write Dear Mr. or Mrs. or Ms., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, begin with a polite salutation. Quickly introduce yourself or your company. And you need to mention the purpose of the letter and why the recipient should be interested. For example, you can write something like, "Are you seeking a solution to enhance your home security? Look no further. Secure Guard Technologies has the perfect answer for you." In the second paragraph, you can start introducing your products or services. Of course, you must highlight the key benefits and features of your product or service. Besides that, it is a must that you use persuasive language, storytelling, and testimonials. Address potential objections or concerns. Provide examples or case studies, if relevant. For example, you can write something like, "Introducing our state-of-the-art security system, HomeSafe Pro, designed to provide unmatched protection for your family and property. With HomeSafe Pro, you can expect 24/7 real-time monitoring, smart device integration for remote access, instant alerts for any security breach." It will be more eye-catching if you make it in bullet points like shown in the video. In the third paragraph, this is where you use persuasive language, storytelling, and testimonials. You can build a trust by writing something like, "Our security system is trusted by homeowners across the nation. And it has a track record of deterring break-ins and safeguarding homes." Besides that, you can make a call to action bridging. For example, you may offer special prices, discounts, and more benefits if the recipient order it today. In this example, the writer did it well like. But that's not all. When you choose Secure Guard Technologies, you also get professional installation by certified technicians, free software updates for life, a 30-day money-back guarantee. Sure, these are persuading. Everyone wants free installation. Everyone wants the money-back guarantee. Everyone wants updates for lifetime. So why not offer them all here? In the fifth paragraph, this is where you start giving a call to action or CTA. Here, you need to clearly state what action you want the recipient to take. In this case, it is important that you use strong and compelling language to encourage the desired action. We are offering an exclusive limited-time offer for new customers. Purchase HomeSafe Pro today and receive a 15% discount on the system package and free installation by our expert team. Ready to fortify your home security and enjoy peace of mind? Don't miss out on this opportunity. Include also the contact information or links for easy response. And don't forget to express gratitude for the recipient's time and consideration. You can also offer further assistance or information if needed. For example, to learn more or to schedule a free consultation, visit our website at www.secureguardtech.com or contact our sales team at sales@secureguardtech.com or 555-789-1234. Thank you for considering Secure Guard Technologies as your trusted partner in home security. We look forward to serving you and helping you achieve the utmost safety for your loved ones and property. And finally, you can end the letter with a polite closing, such as, "Sincerely," or, "Best regards." Add your signature and write your full name as well as your occupation in the company. So, that's how you write a sales letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.